morning. I'm going somewhere. Look at the bag I'm carrying. I'm going somewhere. So let's go. I'm in the village. Where I'm going? Just in the village. No, it's not far. Walking distance. Something like, is it 10 minutes walk? So just walking around. Look at the earrings, man. So come with me. Let's go somewhere. Look, the village. So green. Going over there, I don't know if you can see that. Is it maroon? Iron sheets ahead. That is where I'm going. So come with me if you want to know what I'm going to do. But I will not tell you what I'm going to do. It's a secret. But with family. No. Look at the village. Look at our village, guys. So green. Can you see that is banana plantain. That is the banana plant, yes? The banana plant there. The village, people grow everything in their farm. Like, look at these small plants. These ones. This is nice. Together with greens. Yeah, that is planting season over here. The so-called season. First season of every person, that is times. Guys, life is so much. You get everything in the farm. Not everything, but almost everything in the farm. Look, we pass the station. People's gone. They have no issue. The other one. So, come along. See the village green. Too green. Let's go. Just moving, see the road. Not far. I told you, 15 minutes for mad one. Even not 15. If you can walk fast, less than 15 minutes. Yeah, the young man behind me. So let's go, guys. Can't you know my outfit? We are here, guys. I'm here. Slowly. Let's go slowly. The shoes are here. The trousers. I love these shoes. Imagine I bought them at 200 Kenyan shillings, but in USD it's like less than $2, right? Yeah, less than $2. Okay, an open air market. So we are here, guys. Look, this is where they are. Where we are going? We are going here. There is here St. John's. So that is the place we are going. Bye guys, I don't think I will take you. Okay, bye bye guys. I'm here. Let's see what happens. Then I will see you on the video. I'm here with goodbyes. I will see you on another video. Look at my hair. Even I don't know how much it is. It's a gift from my sister. I'm here guys, I'm waiting. I'm in the waiting bay. It's just a village. Is it a hospital or a clinic? Don't know. Whatever it will let they offer services. So I'm here waiting to go in. There is somebody in, so I'm waiting a little bit, then I go in. There are no people. It's just a village clinic sort of. So at least we get services here. Yeah, so let me wait. I'm scared to me. You see, Lance, it's not that big. It's not big, it's just a small clinic. This is where people wait and services. Not a big clinic, but a job. At least it helps us a lot in the village. You don't have to travel long just to go for headaches, some little sickness. You come here. When I'm done, I say goodbye to you. I'm done now. About to go. I'm done. So you see guys, this is the way I'm going. And behind me, over somewhere there. Over somewhere there. That's where I came from. That's where I passed that way when coming. But today, I'm going through this way because at least I'm not going to pass through people's process. Homes. So it's better this way than that way. Yeah. Green. Our village, not our, the villages, most villages on this side, they are greener. Especially, I don't think there's that much dry season. People do plant a lot in this area. Like I showed you maize, they plant maize. Mostly they plant maize together with beans. I also showed you plantain. And now you can see there is it kahawa? It's coffee. That is coffee, is it? This one. This coffee. Look. This one. That is coffee. Coffee, that is coffee, right? If I'm not sure, it is coffee. And then there is tea. Those small plants, there are tea leaves. So you can get green tea. So the smaller ones, the levelized ones have the tea leaves, but these big ones, those along this way, that is coffee, I think. Coffee. It's a lot. Look at that coffee. It has done. Look, with all those coffee. Let me know in the comment section if you know how to make coffee, how to harvest them. This coffee, if you know how to harvest the coffee when they are ripe, then also process them, then until they get into the factory. Let me know if you know that. Look, people here fence the farms with these flowers. They are common. Yes, these flowers. These ones, you see. People use that to fence their farms. Look the view, guys. It's so beautiful. Is it? Or is it not? It's beautiful, right? This side. Also this side. Look. He did his fencing. Look, that over there is his gate over there. If you can see. Over there. The way passing over there. That is where there is the entrance there. Look. There's all this that leafy green leafy plants. I think those are sugar canes. Then look at the trees. This is along his farm. Look. People are rich in the village. Not rich in terms of money maybe, but rich in terms of farming, having all these varieties. Look, like the plantain over there. The plantain. But it's not yet ready yet. Okay guys, I'm heading home. Let me go home. I will see you on the next one. Love you all. Peace.